Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out guys and girls. Behind me, I got a 2011 BMW 740 Li. And what we're going to do today is show you how to replace the left halo bulb. The H8 left halo bulb. Coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, the first thing we're going to do, let's verify that the bulb is out. Alright, Billy Bob, cut the headlights on. No? There we go. Alright guys, you see right there? See the halo on the outside? And this one is out right over here. Alright, so we're going to learn how to change the bulb over here. Alright, we'll be right back.
Alright you guys. First thing you want to do, get your finger, stick it in this tab, pull the door up. Now that I have that up, if you don't know exactly which one is which, it tells you, you just have to look for it. So, right here, it tells you this side is a H3. If you look farther down, this one tells you H8. It has the 24, but it's marked out. So, you go back, look at your bulb, and you see H8. So, what you want to do is, you can either grab this tab. Oh, yeah, I would really want to. You know all this is plastic.
Yeah.
You can either grab this little tab right here, if it's in the right spot, and you can just slightly turn it just like that.
So he just turned it counterclockwise.
And then you just pull your lid up. It will stay attached so you don't lose it or drop it somewhere. And there we go. Can you see that?
You know, let me get this. Yeah, I can see it.
Give me this.
Okay.
Now, let's see. I know it should be counterclockwise. Oh man, see that's gonna suck.
Alright, guys, yeah. If you like right here, there, go to this side.
I might should have got the hose pliers.
Okay, hold on. Okay, go ahead.
Try to do it like that. Once again, you guys, I'm turning this thing counterclockwise. I should have got the hose pliers. Man, I'm just gonna turn it. You can still see?
Hold it. Which way? You going clockwise?
No, I'm going counter back.
No, your finger right now is grabbing. That's
Man,
clockwise. That's clockwise.
Man.
I'm telling you, that's clockwise. You're behind me.
Look,
Thank you. That's
clockwise.
counterclockwise. Right
Okay.
there is counterclockwise.
Okay, well, I'm going clockwise then.
So okay, you're going clockwise. Okay.
Going back, just like that.
Okay.
Now I have this out. Just twist it and pull. This way I can get to my harness. You have two tabs on both ends, there and there. You just get your screwdriver with your fingernail, push one side at a time. Yep, regular flat.
All right, we're gonna get a screwdriver. Be right back. Okay.
All right. I'm sticking my screwdriver in. Working one side. There we go. And the other side just came right up for me. Pull it out. Now I just want to look at my bulb. See that? There it is. See it? Now that I have that out, I'm gonna get my other light bulb out and we'll be right back.
Okay.
Alright, you guys. As you see, I went ahead and punched my hole in the back. But before I did it, I shook my bulb down because you don't want to touch that light bulb. And I'm holding on to it. So now I know where it is. Grab my paper. Take notice how I'm grabbing it. You do not want to touch that bulb.
Why don't you want to touch the bulb?
They say once you touch the bulb, you can blow it. You know, as soon as you turn the light on, it'll blow. So if you have to, I guess you could use a smooth cloth or something and grab it.
Why does touching it? Go ahead, man. Put the bulb in.
Now, all right. See this little slider here? See the slider? That slider, you want to slide right here on that groove. So you just plug it in. Remember, do not touch that bulb. And put it right back in its place. Now, can you see?
Yeah.
Now what I'm doing now, holding it in with my middle finger, pushing it over with my thumb to lock it back into place. Just like that. Make sure it's secure. Put my harness back. Check it again for future reference. Make sure she's in there nice and tight. There you go. Now that that's done, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go back to the front of the car, turn my headlights on, make sure that bulb is working, and we'll be right.
Go ahead.
Oh, you want to go ahead?
Okay. Yep, it's on. Alright guys, also if you want, now you notice how there was part of that bulb that was bright and the halo is a little like a shade of like a dirty yellow, you can say. You can upgrade this to the H7 bulb, which is a little bit brighter. We didn't want to put in the H7 because then you have different ones. So alright, ready.
Alright. Now you're gonna grab your lid. And you see the grooves, they're gonna line up exactly with those.
Huh?
These grooves gonna line up just like those.
No, show me on where you're going, bro. I can see that, man.
Okay. Alright, see it? Now watch the tabs. That's what locks it in and keep it there.
Alright.
Now, excuse me, sir. Now we just take our door and push our door back into place, and that job is complete. Now that it's done, we'll be right back. There you have it, guys and girls. That's how you replace a halo bulb H8 on a 740 Li BMW 2011. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below, or you can email Tim@astroautorepairs.com. This is Tim and Billy Bob. If we can't repair it, nobody can.